Good afternoon, guys. Today is the 29th of May here in the UK, and back again with another US30 analysis. Before that, I thought I'll show you guys a trade I took on Friday, which I took a small loss on that for $274, I believe. And 274, no, sorry, I think I took a close to about 450-ish trade. Yeah, I believe so. 450. So that was the loss on that. So it was on this trade where I took it for a sell because I did believe that price was going to push down for US30. Because if you see here, it came here, rejected, it came back here, rejected this as well. So I did think price was going to push further down. So I took an entry um on this one here. So it was here actually, sorry. Okay. And so it did give me a little bit of profit before it literally went up. But then I didn't take my full stop loss because once I knew this came into profit, but then I kind of adjusted my stop loss down to slightly above this high because I did think that if it was going to break, then it was actually going to go all the way up already, and then it closed somewhere around this candle, I think, and then it took me out. So that was I think my total loss was about 600, I think, if I had gone for this. But no, I came out of about 450. So right now I am up in the account by 2.8%, right? So we were at about 3.3% or 3.2%, I think, and now we're slightly down. So we've got still time and we've got the week. And like I said, even because with this account, typically, right, I tend to get aggressive with when trying to pass funded challenges. I normally go with 1%, sometimes 1.5% risk to reward. Um, but risk management, I mean. But then with this one here, I just feel like this is a new strategy I'm testing, and I don't want to blow the account for the sake of it. Because if after testing, so but we have taken a couple of trades right now, we have kind and you guys have been following the journey from day one, you would have noticed that it is actually impossible just to kind of take whatever signals are printed and win it. Like it's near impossible because most of the time, no, there's just you get stuck in consolidation and that one off you take, but then there's going to be more losses. So you really need to kind of know your biases when you're kind of trading and then use the signals as an extra confluence, if that makes sense. Okay. And what I've also done is I've also shifted the half trend. Previously was 5 and then I tested it to 8 and now I brought it back to 2 again, which means it's going to print more signals. But at the same time, I'm also just seeing that with more signals, we do get small wins along the way. So, a new rule I think I'm going to try and set for myself is the minute we go down into profit a little bit, I am going to change my stop loss to either break even or slightly above. So, you come out with a smaller loss rather than the intended stop loss. Okay. And see how this pans out. So, but anyway, so this was Friday, so you guys know where we went with Friday. Now for the rest of the week today, so today really is bank holiday, which I don't intend to be trading. Just by looking at these pictures, can you guys see this wave? We are having a nice consolidation wave here, which is not fantastic. And I'm gonna stay away from the charts today, if really honestly, just because I think it's gonna be quite slow moving for today. Um, so I'm gonna come back to it, tomorrow. Now I'm just gonna do a quick analysis for the week, but we will do one again tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys this weekly thing, which I do think price will go up. So over the weekend, I kind of drew the channel. Did I draw it on the daily? I think. So I drew a channel. I'm going to off all this because you don't need this. Okay, so if you guys can see the channel, it kind of hit, rejected, hit, and then right now it's near the channel here. So actually, I really do think price might push up a little bit and then drop. I still am very bearish on US30. It's not giving me any reason to turn bullish at the moment. So I am bearish on it, and I do think price will come way down on the US30, to be really honest. That's my take on it. I do think price possibly could come right down here and even further down, going down further. But it's really just on a day-to-day basis, we kind of just need to see what price action tells us. Okay. Now, I do think price might push up a little bit more before it actually starts to tank, okay, into this area here. um, Possibly even give us a long wake up. You never know. So I am actually just going to wait it out patiently because I do think, like I said, price could take us out here, maybe even do a fake up because there is if I were to draw, there's a fake out area here, right here. This is on a 4 hour, okay? So that is a fake out area here. So price could really push out, give us a fake out and drop right back into the channel. So I might want to catch sell, I mean buys if I feel like something good is setting up for tomorrow. But as for now, I think it's just gonna teeter here, which I'm not gonna get involved in. Just gonna leave to do what it wants to do. Or for all you know, today price pushes some does what it wants to do. And then I'm probably gonna catch the sells right back down, like and maybe even leave it for like a long swing trade. So like imagine catching it from here all the way down. This is already 1,000 over pips, okay? So this is my analysis on US30. Look at this. Imagine catching this at this rejection point and all the way down here. Do you guys get me from here all the way up? So it's really just in this channel. I haven't really seen proper breakouts. So I'm just going to leave it as it is for now so you guys know what you're looking at. So this was all drawn on a daily time frame, right? So even if you drop to forward, you can see the channel really clearly. Now, so that's my take for what US30 is going to be doing for the rest of the week, maybe even for the next 2 weeks. I just think that we are going to get push downs. But if we do get a nice breakout, I'm not going to think that it's a buy, and I'm not going to take it as a buy. We are going to see price push up, and we're going to wait for price to retest, to reject, and then we can look for buys after. We do need to see an area of testing, retest before we actually decide that okay, price is going to reverse and we are looking for buys on a long-term basis. As of now, I don't see that. Okay, so like even on a US30, I mean, sorry, even on a weekly, you can just see the downward slope on this. So I really do think that price is going to be pushing lower. Okay, because you can see they're doing lows here. So let's just I'm hoping price would give us a proper rejection up at the bar at the top area, just so that it gives us better confirmation for sells and we're going to catch a nice push down. Okay guys, so that's US30 for you guys. Now there's another pair that I was looking at. I wanted to test this half trend and half sweet on as well. That's Euro USD. It's probably a very beginners friendly pair, and I thought that might be interesting to just see what we are whether that's possible to do it with Euro USD or not. Okay, so I don't trade this pair at all. You guys know that I really trade only US30, but I thought just to give us extra, just removing all old drawings that I would have probably done. I got God knows when. Okay, so this is on a daily. You can see that we have gone. It was a downtrend. Now price is pushed up. I'm not gonna call this a reversal yet, just because I do think it could be a retracement. Um, Hold on, guys. Let me see. So, yeah, look at that. We are in between the zero point 0.5 to 0.618 retracement level here right now, which is the golden zone. So possibly price could push all the way back down to the zero. Okay, and further down, unless we see here a weak low and it comes back right down here, which is spot on the zero level. Now we can see if it's going to be an equal balance, and then we can see price could probably push up after. But right now, I do think price is finished its retracement and could be making its way right back down. But having said that, we do obviously want to wait for structure break. Okay, on a daily, structure break is here. We can even consider this a structure break here, but I'm actually just going to. Okay, let me just get to the form. Yeah, we are at quite a crucial zone right now. So price obviously here might do a little retracement, but I do think price is coming down. So this would be my area of interest here for where I would say price could be coming down. I'm going to actually draw a ray so that we could mark this up here on a daily. I do think price could be making its way down here. Now, okay. So obviously price is going to do lower and then do obviously more retracement, and then it's just going to do the higher lows, higher lower lows. Okay guys, so I do really think price is on a downtrend on Euro USD. So I am looking for sells at this point, all the way to where I did say the price possibly could go to. So that's my analysis on US30. I mean, sorry, Euro USD. Okay, I'm just dropping down to the lower time frame just to see what price is doing on a 5 minutes. Okay, so I would want to see a proper reversal going up here so that I could catch the next sell. Right now, I think price is just teetering. And again, like I said, it's bank holiday today. We're probably not going to see much movement. It's only the US dollar that's probably going to be moving it a little bit. But yeah, so I do think that price could possibly go up to the buys here to take out the liquidities. And then obviously, then I'm going to be looking for sells. All right, guys. So in Euro USD, I'm also looking for sells actually on a long term. That's my take on Euro USD. Again, this is a fat pair that I'm not really familiar with, but just based on technical analysis, it is on a nice downtrend on the 3 hour. Just look at that. Yeah, the only thing about this that I would keep in mind is that if you guys see this, it has come back to this area here a few times. So it's retesting the key zone and it's just consolidating in this area at this point. So I'll just keep an eye on that. But I do think that it could probably go up because there's a whole lot of liquidity here to take and then drop right back down to where we want it to go. And obviously along the way we're going to see highs and lows, highs and lows. But overall, I do think price is pushing down. Okay, guys. So that's my thing on Euro USD. Just have to wait for the retest first because we need to wait for a retracement. Can you see prices even on a daily? Price has just been dropping here on a daily without really any retracement. So I would want to see a nice retracement before I actually take it right back down because this is neither here nor there. You might be caught in a massive drawdown. You might lose a trade because price might be just reversing to do a retracement before it starts to tank again. Okay, so that's that. We'll do another in-depth one for tomorrow and see where price takes us. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is Euro USD for those of you who like to trade Euro USD. Share with me in the comments below what your thoughts are on your analysis because I do think everybody sees the charts differently and not everybody has got the same eye to what we see. And I think that's absolutely fine, right? Because it's just nice that everybody's got a different opinion and see where everybody goes. So if you guys have comments about Euro USD or even US30. Like I've received a couple of comments the other day talking about how they only trade US30. So it's amazing. Tell me, you guys, write in the comments below your analysis what you think Euro USD or US30 is going to be doing for the week. And let's see how the charts play out for the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video and happy trading.